and governance.
Yeah. Okay. Wach mar coordination mi wacho no kata tayo chenro. We luonga ne Ndong'a wach ni. Ndong'a ma e gima sirikal wacho ni Social Health Authority kata SHA onego be ni konyo. To ma be gima pod ukedo go kaka jo KMPDU. Ang'o mi wach no kuyiego?
Erokamano, wan gi 5 major issues ma wan go gi SHI. Kendo adwa wacho kae ni KMPDU is not opposed to universal healthcare. In fact, sama ji yudo universal healthcare to dakteche omo nekech one day one more sama ji outcomes mag thieth ma wamiyo ji is good. Issue mokwongo ma wan go gi SHI an issue mar medical cover to civil servants. Kendo okadwa ni wa pretend ni one a social government. So far, wange ni one a capitalist government. Mano ngiso ni for everything midwaro e Kenya kae to that quality midware to nyakichul. For a long time, civil servants osebedo ka chulo gimiluongo ni medical insurance. To sama ne wa pass the Employment Act. So the Article 34 ne wacho ni the employer must provide health services, must make sure that the employee can afford healthcare services. So kana gineno ni chulo bill mar hospital is too expensive. The governments, county government, national government, onenoni let us take health insurance for our people, Mondgiyud thieth. Looking at Schedule 1, Article 5, Mar SHI, that for us, civil servants, it is an act of discrimination. Inenoka ondikni, and the fund shall cease to pay any enhanced cover. And let us be honest, what happened to serikali ni more than 80% mar Kenya is informal employment. Less than 20% is informal, or rather is the one that is informal employment. It's only less than 20% the money government is sure about, and less than 20% of what they intend to collect. Angomeo, the majority of the contributors, they were discriminated in bill. How are we going to make sure the majority of the contributors are going to benefit as much as their contribution?
Okay.
If I'm going to pay 11,000 shillings per month,
yeah,
am I going, are the same level of treatment, Gingama chulo 500 shillings per month? In a capitalist government, in a capitalist environment, that is not fair.
Okay.
If serikal okaoni wadi bedo a socialist government, a socialist economy, togi wat sani, so that an ka daktari matiyo Kisumu, adi wachone, adi miyo everybody the same level of care, regardless of how much they are going to pay. But as long as one in a capitalist environment, we cannot accept 10,000 shillings.
Hey.
Castro, I can only afford the same amount of care as somebody who is, my bedo deducted 500 shillings.
Okay.
Gimoroma wando gishida gi bilni. In which we have one middleman, a bill. A government act, a government health insurance fund, nigi middleman, madimio claims. Kendo what claims ni is a big thing, a world mar healthcare. Nekech iting at moro mobedo piny, masa midwaro surgery utim ni etiendi, enongi your request, madaktari oro, to wacho ni ngani ok dwaro surgery, wacho ni. Middlemen, giminga, the give dakteche moneno patient no madhi wacho ni patient ni yes patient ni dwaro surgery mondikni koso gin another health insurance private health insurance madhi yudo kickbacks after gise pass some claims to moko gi cancel.
Okay. Winja neno umo Luga wacho nange wach ni Luga ng'eni sani korine sirikal kanyo kendi winjo weche gi maler. Be nitiere akwede moro ka e wach